ngalai kendo yo DC ula pentib ba kila tho cha ka personal department pada ka jok por cha ka home department home political department jong ka sarkar jilla habe dai bat katai ka rai jong ka DSC tahang ni kadeta jong ka nei ka chithi ba kipa chau under secretary jong ka sarkar jilla jong ka personal and administrative reform department ka dai dated ka dai khat sau tarik January ajar pendru pada ka jo hi kila pharu cha secretary jong ka government of Meghalaya home political department ka dated khat sau tarik hang ni kipen pau ba chau under secretary jong ka personal department kipa ban consider lane ban furnish ya ka views ban opinions jong ka bayadai bat ka point number 9 kata kamut abayadai bat ka independent observer panel kumbang ngirai ba ngila dawa ba habdon ba independent observer panel ka ba arpat ka ba kipa chau secretary jong ka skor jalla abayadai bat ka home political department ki views and comment jong ki abayadai bat ka point number 13 ka bayadai pat to ensure transparency during written examination kepada penonton kami ke CCTV but internet syadam berkumta terter te kakai ngako apa penpau hoi ngila ajing mucha ka DSC ba habdon kan nyau tiliki benta kiba penbha je ketung jing trekam jong ka DSC kanang ban bilap ya ka confidence but bandon ro ka jing chakri ka jong ka DSC ka ba khoj bat ka ba I mention yaki pradok prasnam te yakaniro hoj ngilayo yakani ngin ap katukan isni ngin lej boden wood sa ka concern department nado ka personal department nado na ka home political department but now CM ro darang yo lat bani kendo now CM na marbat ka jo ka bentang ngila a chau CM menah kaniki por bala dep